Officers and cooperative pupils. Last Catholic Boiser. Fortune Pupil and Captain of the Year. Victoria Icarindo. Behave Pupil. Christian John Flores. Official Pupil. Erin Francisco. Cooperative Pupil and Captain of the Year. Stephanie John Mamparo. Santa Cruz Pupil. Peso Yuri Kubo. Cooperative Pupil and Captain of the Year. Tiger and Picoso. Captain of the Year and Cooperative Pupil. The Pupil and my dear children, congratulations. We will request again one title and Sir Amian and the receptionist. Recognition awarded to Mr. and Mrs. Arian Utang, Mr. and Mrs. Fernando Francisco, Mr. and Mrs. Spirit Espirito, Mr. and Mrs. Junior, Mr. and Mrs. Federico Boiser, Mr. and Mrs. Julio Estiva, Mr. and Mrs. Alicio Lucano, Mr. and Mrs. Elmon Halima, Mr. and Mrs. Robin Sayan, Mr. and Mrs. Federico Suco. Thank you, parents, for your cooperation. Thank you, Ma'am Michael, Sir Aliana, and Ma'am Cayo. The last but not the least, Great Rose Sardones. Salamat sa Year Year Honors and Victorious Award. Hello, Mario. These honors and authority. Alexis Chavez. These honors and authority. Mark Anton Barcato. Wyatt P. Santia. These honors and cooperative pupil. Bensimar Sarabia. These honors and Adipay pupil. Martin. Melanie Abdul Karim. General Cordicio.
Natoy, kuan no? Natoy TV kay Nadine no? Ay, katong cellphone to ni mo no? Bago ni, gitalit.
Abdul Karim. Melanie.
Hoy!
Thank you, the certificate of recognition.
Engineer, mangano pa? Ayun ko sa talo. Program?
Mr. and Mrs.
Ay, salamat. Iyahan na lang yung kanjong.
Mrs. Julita Lumakan.
Ingon man nga.
Mrs. Abdul Karim.
Dini lang daw. Wala na daw. Yehey! Daily truth.
Chavez. Mrs. Remedios Chavez. That is your section Sardonic. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations to all the honors and with merit. This time, we would like to request everyone who are left to stand up for our community singing. I'll be alright. Yung mga bata, tingnan sa likod ng program, nandiyan ang kopya ng ating community singing. Let us all stand up.
Tayo. Tayo muna, tayo. Kanta mo ang kanta. Sa baba.
Now that I go, I'll always be thinking of you. Thinking of the things you taught me so. Always I'll be alright. I'll be okay. I will be good at learning all the way. All from the heart, these things I do. I make you proud because I love you. I'll be alright. I'll be okay. I will be fine. These things I do, I make you proud because I do. Love you so. I will settle down by nothing for nothing all of my goals. I will go on and I will move on all because of you. For you, I'll be alright. I'll be okay. I will be good, learning all the way. All from the heart, these things I do. I make you proud because I love you. I'll be alright. I'll be okay. I will be fine. I'll be through all the way. All from the heart. These things I do. I make you proud because I love you. I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. Thank you very much. We would like to thank Sir Apeliana and our warmest thanks to Ma'am Vital for staying all throughout the awarding. Thank you everyone. Announcement distribution of report cards is on March 31, Monday. We, the pupils and teachers, are expressing our profound sincere thanks to also to help us in one way or another of producing this successful revision day. Mabuhay! Train us aside with the way things go, and when we grow old, we shall not depart from it. The grade 2 teaching staff. Grade head, this is Annalisa